Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create another amazing sales dashboard through Power BI by using the one of the project. So by end of this video you will learn how to create the Power BI dashboard with various steps, and you will be completing the project, and you can add that project into your profile so that you can have the weightage in your profile. So and also there are various things which you are going to learn in this dashboard creation, that is bookmarks and using the cards, like cards chart, and for representing the KPI, and also you are going to use how to use of slicers in the Power BI. And also one more thing important, that top 5 performance, like when we are having this so much of data, so we want to see there are top few contents, like for top few data where it is having the more weightage and more value or more profit, so that we can see to that in this project, and you can go and learn on these things. So now let's not waste the time, let us get it started, so that you can see and dashboard is fully interactive based on the details, right? So you're going to learn, and you're going to execute the same thing along with me. Okay, let's not waste the time, let's get it started.